Welcome to our tech channel, where today we're unveiling the Vivo iQOO Z9 Turbo, a smartphone that's all about delivering exceptional performance and speed. The iQOO Z9 Turbo features a 6.7-inch AMOLED display and the 120 Hz refresh rate. A peak brightness of 1800 nits make for a display that's not only smooth, but also brilliantly luminous. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset, ensuring top-tier performance. With options of 8GB or 12GB RAM and 128GB or 256GB storage, capture every moment with the dual-camera setup, featuring a 50MP primary sensor with OIS and a 2MP depth sensor. A 16MP front camera ensures you'll always look your best. The iQOO Z9 Turbo sounds great too, thanks to its stereo speakers. And with Wi-Fi 6 support and Bluetooth 5.3, you're always connected. One of the most impressive features is the 6000 mAh battery, which supports 66W fast charging. So if you're looking for a smartphone, the Vivo iQOO Z9 Turbo might just be the perfect choice for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. We're always here to bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology.